Hello, my lovely friends. How are today? I hope you have been enjoying the ultimate understanding of the Candlestick series. But unfortunately, the series is going to end with today's session. Today, I am going to discuss about lovely candle called Doji Candlestick. And today is the sixth part for the series. If you missed any of the previous lesson, I'm giving the playlist details on the right upper corner here. So you can watch if you want. Though the series is going to an end, but you don't need to worry about it. I'll keep posting like this great video every time. My next video topic will be the round number trading. From then, I'll make video according to traders' expectation. So if you have any query, let me know in the comment section below. I'll pull it out by filtering my notes. All of we know the Doji candlestick is very powerful candle, which can reverse the trend. Also, the Doji can confirm the trend continuation too, like shooting star or hammer. The thing is, we need to know what does the Doji do in which situation. After watching the video, if you still have any doubt about Doji candle, then write me on the comment section below. I will help you until you master about the Doji candle. You are watching this video because you want to make money by trading. But don't jump in trading unless you verified your result. Try to trade on demo first and then can move on live trading if you satisfied with your result. I would like to highlight one thing to you that do not trade on demo as blindly. If you do so, then your trading result will not improve never. Treat the demo as live account. Focus on the market and trade. Do not trade for long time. If your result not improving even after hard try, then you can ask help from your trader friends or anyone else. After cross all the way, if you are not profitable, still you don't need to be worried because I made 3 different type of trading course for you. The complete course of educational video, the expert version of training course, and the sure shot of learning course. For more details, please write me on the Telegram. The contact details given on the video description below. Beware about scammer. I am not liable for any transaction you made other than the details of the video. Before begin, if you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot who already subscribed. Share the video with your friends if you think they can be benefited by watching the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button at the end if you like the video. I already discussed on my previous classes all about hanging man, shooting star, spinning top, hammer, inverted hammer, tweezer tops, tweezer bottom, evening star, morning star, bullish and bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so let's move on the chart where we can find some doji candlesticks and analyze. Well, in this chart we can see there is 2 doji candlesticks. This is number 1 and number 2. After this doji candle, the market continue. It means green candle. But after this doji, the market reverse very strongly. Why it happens? After this doji, there is strong buyer, and after this doji, there is strong sellers. Why? Let me tell you some reason. When you want to make money from the market, you need to check a lot of things. The number 1 is previous history. We can see the market went down to this level, up to this level, and then started to go up. And from here, market again started to go down. It means maybe from here it was the market trend, something like this. So there we can see the market is making every time new high. Maybe because it was previous high, this is recent high. Maybe there was previous low and this is recent low. So the market is moving an uptrend. Now the market is moving down. So definitely before reaching the market can move up. So from here market started to go up and it's an engulfing candle too. You can check. According to this market history, the market will go up. But if you see this scenario and this scenario, there is different because there is strong sellers on last candle. Here is not strong seller, rather than sellers become weaker. So let's say here we had 100 sellers, but here we had only 70 sellers. It's an example. So after this buyer, this 30 sellers where will go? This candle. So it will fill because the market mostly following the previous history. The reason, let me make it clean. The reason we have here Doji candle, because see there is 3 candle but there is 2 candle. This candle is small but this candle is very strong. So after this 3 candle, when traders is reading previous history, there is 2 candle short and buyer's entry and it's an engulfing strong buyer's candle. But here there is 3 candle, but this candle is not enough strong compared with this candle. So what traders are thinking? Traders got confused because they are thinking maybe this is not a strong candle, so after that their sellers will enter. But some of traders thinking market is going up, something like this, so definitely buyers will enter. Therefore there are 50-50 chances. 50 traders go with sellers and others 50 placed here loyal option. At the reason we have sellers candle. If the market wants to go down, then there should be red candle. Rather than red candle, we have doji. And when the traders say that the market is going down, going up, something like this, there is doji. It means they consider this is a continuation of the trend. So immediately they placed here higher option, and you can see this last candle there is no single sellers, direct buyers entry because of this reason. Now let me tell you about the second doji. See, it was market direction like this. Now the things happen here. It was previous high. This is now become double top pattern. Can you see? This is now double top pattern, and here very strong sellers. 4 sellers candle and every candle is very strong. Due to these round numbers, there we have buyer's entry. So when there is buyer's entry, and remember on things that when the trend has been broken, like this is it was the trend, like it was the trend, it has been broken. So most of the time that trend, the market will try to retrace the level, or maybe it was the level, like there is one level, 2 level. So market either will touch this level or this level. Most of the time, about 80 to 90% time, the market will touch this level or this level. In this case, when market move up suddenly here, you can see there is direct buyer's entry, something this candle. So this is the same candle here. This is the same candle. So direct buyer's entry, then sellers. Direct buyer's entry, sellers. Direct buyer's entry, sellers. Why? There is another reason, because this is a level. So when market reached to this level with strong rejection from upper side, then again trader got confused, because some of traders thinking maybe the market will touch this level, or some of traders thinking no, it will reverse because the requirement has been filled already, because this is the level, it has been filled, strong rejection, and there is no rejection from lower side, there is no rejection from lower side, there is no rejection from lower side. So there is three same candle, and every three candle has seller's entry on the next candle. So some of traders placed here lower option. It means this is confused candle, something like this. So now let me make it clean. So now when traders already confirms that this is buyer's candle. This candle is quite stronger than this candle. After a strong candle, there is Doji, and the requirement has been already filled. So the market will go down now, like this. Then about 60 to 70% traders placed here lower option, and still there in this candle also we had some buyers, because still they are thinking that market will touch this level. This is Doji, so market will touch this level, then sellers will enter. But no, because there already the requirement has been filled. This is quite small. This is very strong buyers. Even after strong buyers, we have Doji candle, requirement has been filled, and the most thing is there is no new high. Rather than there is double top pattern. So I hope you understand all about this two candle. If you can avoid on losing trade, then definitely your winning percentage is going to increase very soon. So try to avoid your wrong trade. Now let me show you another chart here. In this chart also we have two doji candle. This is also you can consider doji, because only few buyers is small body, very small body. So this candle also you can consider doji candle. Now the things is same. If you have remembered that previous chart, see the level has been filled. It was a level. You can see this is very strong sellers, again sellers. Normally after this strong sellers, there we can expect buyers entry, at least small buyer. But rather than buyers, we can see another breakout, and again strong sellers entry here. It means up to this level we have sellers. Then again buyers tried, but their buyers and sellers got confused, because the level already filled here. This is the level, actually it has been filled. So when the level has been filled, it means it was a support level for this market. Sorry, for this market it was support level. It has been broken and retraced. So after that definitely sellers will enter. But what happened? What happened in this doji? See, it was a level now. Market got support from here. See, sellers entry, it got support. Again, it's a breakout. Now, after that, we have buyers entry. This candle, this doji candle just touched the level. It didn't close even near to the level. Rather than only touch. When the candle touch, what we should consider? Sellers are here. Candle started to move up from this level. This is opening price. Market started to move up. Then sellers entry, because the trend is down. Now normally what we should do, because we know sellers are here. Sellers are here. When market reach to this level, then we have sellers entry. Candle close here. When from where the buyers was push the market to this level. So definitely after this doji, there we can expect again buyers entry at least to this level. And I will not analyze this other candle because today topic is only doji candle. There is some reason to this candle also. I already told these things on my previous all the classes, all the 5 classes. If you missed any of the video from my previous classes, then you can watch it from the playlist. Now let me show you another chart here. In this chart, we have only one doji candle here. This is the doji candle. Now let me analyze this market. It was a level and round number, so it's quite strong. It was a level 2, and this is the final level. But none of level are strong. Only this level we can consider little strong. Others, any level is not strong. See, the market is on downtrend here. Maybe it was uptrend. From here, market is trying to go down. Every after 1 or 2 candle, we have buyers entry, sellers entry, buyers entry, sellers entry. So, as we can see, market now moving like this: buyers entry, sellers entry, buyers entry, sellers, again buyers, again sellers, sellers. So they are supposed to be sellers. Now, as the candle closed almost to this level, it was a strong buyers area. So some buyers like me who are thinking against the trend, they are thinking, okay, this candle has a strong rejection, so after that maybe buyers will enter. But who are trend follower traders, they are thinking no, the market should go down because the overall trend is down. So they placed here lower option and other traders place here higher option. Therefore this is confused candle, and we have here doji type of candle. Now if you draw this level, from here we have buyers entry, and this is the level. So there is lot of level, and the final round numbers is here. The market is going down. From here we have buyers entry at least, so there is gap. After strong sellers, there is buyers. Then again we could expect something like these buyers, and maybe up to this with upper side rejection. But rather than we have sellers entry, it means mostly this kind of doji the market will continue, because I already told you there is level. The major thing is the market is going down. So I hope you understand about this doji too. When you have any doji, better to follow the trend, and especially if you see any doji form near to the level, then definitely the doji will work. So I hope you understand. As I already showed you different kind of doji candlesticks, how the candlestick continue the market and how the candlestick reverse the market. After watching the video, I hope some of your confusion already clarified. If still there is any confusion, you can write me on the comment section below. I will try to answer all of your question. If you think the video is helping you a little, don't forget to hit the thumbs up buttons and share the video with your friends. I will be back very soon with the round number trading. Till then, take care.